Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of May 20th through the 26th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. So for this week, I am going to be using a kit from Pretty Planner Printables on Pinterest. I think it's called Striped Summer. I'll put that down below in the title or description or something. But it's this super cute summery kit that I thought would be perfect for this week. I did pull in a couple things to go along with it. First off, this Bic Intensity dual brush pen. I'm gonna probably just use the skinny end for writing. It's in this like turquoise color that I thought would kind of go. And then I pulled this washi from Dollar Tree with the pink polka dots. It doesn't exactly match, but I feel like it fits the vibes. And then I also pulled this dark green washi that I got at AC Moore. I think the brand is owned by Michaels now. Again, doesn't perfectly match, but I felt like it went with the vibes. So I'm gonna use these two. They're both too wide, but I'm going to use them in the middle and the bottom, and I think that is going to turn out fine. And then I'm going to use this skinnier washi along the top. Again, it's too wide, but I'm going to make it work out. So I think I'm going to put all that stuff down. I'll pull out my print pression slice tool, my ruler. I'm going to stick all that stuff down, and then I'll be back so that we can do the interesting bits. All right, here is where we are at so far. Honestly, separating these guys up here was super annoying, but it's fine. I did have to add just a little piece here, but I think it's not really noticeable. And then I end up with this like tiny scrap left over, which I might turn into flags, we'll see. So my plan is to use these 7 across here. And then we'll see. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this guy as my quote box. I don't think it actually matters which one I use, since you can hardly see the background design, but has a pineapple. That seems fun. I did pull out, this is a Happy Planner seasonal sticker book. I am gonna pull in the flamingo and stick that on there. I think that's gonna work. Okay, and then for these guys, I feel like these two go together. Maybe the 2 fruits, these guys, and then this one is the most oddball. So I'll stick this in the middle. My plan is to align with the bottom of the peach washi, even though it's a little long, because otherwise this green one is like really long, and I feel like that's better. Okay. Let's see. So it's my brother-in-law's birthday on Sunday, and he really likes flamingos, hence the theme for this week. So I think I'll stick these 2 in next. There we go. And then I feel like we want to space the hearts out as far as possible. And this one over here. And then I think I'm going to put the watermelon over here because I feel like the pineapple and the heart kind of look similar. Just so that they have a little different vibe. All right. That's looking pretty cute, actually. Okay, so starting on the sidebar, I have so little of this washi left that I kind of want to see how much I can finish. I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap because I'm like, I don't think I have that much that needs to go in the sidebar. So I might as well leave the space. I don't trust myself to cut this line even remotely straight. So we're gonna go with that. Okay, and then I did pull out my leftovers book so that hopefully I can find some habit trackers that go. Weirdly, I think this one goes. I honestly have no idea where this habit tracker came from. Leaving a bit of a gap again, but it goes. So I'm just gonna go with it, and we're gonna call it good. And then I think that's kind of the only one that I think goes really well. I could pull in another one, I think, but I think that's going to be fine. And then on the weekly boxes, let's see. I think, does this guy match this guy? It might. So I typically don't use a next week as a meaningful header. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 spots here. So I think what I'm going to do, first I'm going to add another stripe of this washi. Sorry, I have to keep turning it upside down. I can't roll washi the other direction. If any of the rest of you all also struggle with that, please let me know down below. I would love to know I'm not alone. Okay, I'm gonna put it in as a next week, even though I don't really use next week's. And then I'm gonna stick something over the next part of it, so that it just says, you know, like week. And then I think I'm good. So can I find something that will work? I could use one of these ones that say note, this guy. I could use a watermelon. This is all like winter stuff. The pineapple is too yellow for this setup. The flamingo works, but I don't know. We have very little summer in this book for whatever reason. Do I want it to say note, or do I want it to say today? I think I'm going to pull out the one that says note, and I'm going to pick this one that's pink. Is this a perfect solution? No, but I think it'll work. There we go. And then I have space for 7 for the week. And then I think I have space. I do. So I'm just going to grab another one of these. I think they're kind of all the same. I don't think it matters which one I pull, so I will just pull the first one. Okay. And I do still have some of this washi left, and I think I can make it all fit. So leave a little gap again. Notice I got more into freehanding the further down this we get, because I just got tired. But that's fine. And then there we go. Okay, that fits perfectly. I will figure out what goes in here when we get to the end of the week. For the days of the week, I did pull, these are Creative Cavern Studio. They're little Averys with laptops that are pink. And I'm just gonna mark work this way because I feel like they go really well with this particular kit. There we go. And then I'm just gonna pull out 2 more so I don't have to keep track of them. And then we will be good. Perfect. Okay. And then I do want to pull in is this too turquoise? I feel like I'm pulling in a lot of turquoise, so I think it's fine. So I have these guys, which are from that same sticker book. I think they're supposed to be the spring colors, but I quite frankly don't care. And I'm gonna use a little star to mark my videos for the week. So Monday will be a plan with me, and then who knows after that. And then I do need to note Tuesday is the hot pink, too pink. Well, we're gonna do it anyway. Tuesday, as a note, it's a voting day for us. Just school votes, things like that. But I still want to, you know, be on top of that. So marking that there. And then moving into Wednesday, I am going to pull out another Avery. Here we go. This is a little haircut Avery. These are very old, but I like them. And do I need to stick anything? Let me just see if I have like a good appointment label. I don't think I have a lot of appointment labels, mostly bill due, which not so helpful. More bill due. I do have like this appointment, but that one's not the right color at all. That one's the right color, but it says meeting. There's this hot pink appointment. I don't know. I think I'm just going to stick it in this way. So that's for my haircut on Wednesday. I'm trying a new hairstylist. Hopefully I really like her. Moving on to the second half of the week. Oh no. I'm going to reassemble this Avery because it tore. Well, she's a little lopsided, but I think it's fine. There we go on those. And then I am going to mark with the other star for my video that needs to go up. And then on Saturday, I think what I'm actually going to do is pull this full box because we have a flight to visit my in-laws for the holiday weekend, and that'll mark the flight, and then also family time probably. I'm just checking to see if I have like this turquoise one. I have this more different turquoise one, which could be an option. Do I have any pink? I do not. Okay, I'm gonna pull one of these turquoise ones. This is a leftover from my Planner Life UK, I think. I'm gonna just stick that at the top. I feel like I'm really bringing in a lot of turquoise, but I don't mind it. All right, and then I don't know what's happening over the weekend, but the last thing is on Sunday. I just want to mark my brother-in-law's birthday. All of these things are like very, okay. Maybe I can pull in from my leftovers. I have this guy. I have these guys. Those are kind of cute. I have this one. That's not really the right color. I think that's all I have. Okay, so this is a leftover from Britannia Nicole. Her shop's been closed for like 100 years. Or 3 or something. But I still have it, so I'm going to use it. So I think that is kind of where we're at for the pre-planning. at this point. I think it's looking cute, and I actually like the addition of a good amount of blue, turquoise, green kind of colors. Just make it fun and summery. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. Please excuse the lighting. It's just kind of how it is. But I think it turned out super cute, fun, and colorful, and definitely summery, which is great for this kind of week where we're starting to transition into summer. I did use up everything from the kit from Pretty Planner Printables. That's one of the best parts about those kits, is I can just get everything used up and not have to worry about leftovers. So that is great. If I don't mention it, it did come from that kit. The pen along the top is a Bic Intensity dual brush pen. This little flamingo is from a Happy Planner book. This washi tape came from Amazon. This Instagram, my habit tracker, is a leftover, maybe from Organized Potato. Really don't know where this leftover came from. I also don't remember where this week box leftover came from. The note situation came from that Happy Planner sticker book. All of these little work icons are from Creative Cavern Studio. The stars are from the Happy Planner book. This is a leftover, I think, from Bella Digital Designs that I just redrew the icon because it was in white, so it was hard to see. This bottom washi comes from a set from AC Moore, which is now owned by Michaels, that brand. And then this is a leftover for all three of these are leftovers from my stash. I don't really know where they came from. This exclamation point is another one of the Happy Planner icons. This is a leftover from some place that I can't remember where. This one is from Creative Cavern Studio, and then this drink is from Chasing Shells. That's another Avery from Creative Cavern Studio. This is a leftover from Plannerology Studio. Over here, this little square is, I think, another Plannerology Studio leftover, and then this is another Creative Cavern Studio, Chasing Shells, and then this is from Paper Company, which is now Jessica Aaron Designs. Not sure if she has those stickers in there. And then the wash days from Avalon and 9th as a leftover. This icon is from My Planner Life UK. This is from Corsa's Creations. This is a Chasing Shells, another My Planner Life UK. The balloons are really old leftover from Britannia Nicole. She hasn't had a shop in like 4 years, basically. This is another My Planner Life UK. And then this little Erin strip is the leftover that I had from doing the top up here. I think that's basically everything that wasn't from the kit. So I think it turned out really cute. And I'm excited to see what happens next in this planner. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or if you don't have anything to say, leave me some sort of flamingo emoji. I think that's an option. But leave me, at least something summary. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops. I'll show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.